Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the table itself so you don't delete the wrong range. Click any cell in the table. Once done, Excel shows Table Tools on the ribbon. Make sure you're on the Table Design or Design tab and note the table name box if you've named it. This helps when multiple tables exist. If you need to remove only formatting versus content, keep that in mind. We'll cover both. Now proceed to the commands that actually remove the table structure. You'll convert or clear depending on the result you want. For preserving values but dropping filters and structured references, click Convert to Range and confirm. The data stays but becomes a normal range. If you intend to wipe content, use Home Clear Clear All, which removes data, formats, and comments. For surgical edits, right-click row or column headers and choose Delete Table Rows or Delete Table Columns. Make sure to save before destructive actions so you can revert if necessary. Finish by deleting the table area if you want the worksheet cleared entirely. Select the table, right-click the border and choose Delete, or press Delete after selecting the range. Once done, inspect formulas and named ranges that reference the table. They may show errors. If something goes wrong, use Undo Ctrl+Z right away. If formulas still break, check Name Manager and Data Queries and Connections. Make sure to save a backup copy to avoid accidental data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.